Hi guys, this is Jazz from Oasis Dummies. Welcome to today's class. Today I'll be showing us how to remove the background of a tree. And this principle is applicable for any image with busy background. If you are not yet a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop new tutorials. And also, if you enjoy this tutorial, ensure that you like. Without any further ado, sit back, relax, and join with me. So this is the image you'll be working with. I downloaded this image from Google. And obviously, the first thing I'm going to do is to unlock this image from the layer here. In the layer panel, I'm going to unlock, and to select picture normally, what we used to do is to go to select and then click on select subject, as simple as that. But this principle will not be applicable here. So I'm going to show us what we will have if we follow the direct method and what we will have if we follow the other technique I want to show us right now. So if you go to select, under select, and you click subject, to give Photoshop few seconds to just load and pick out the subject. Yeah, just like that. Now if you look here, you will notice the background, that is the sky in the tree, are not yet selected. Can you see that? All these sides are not yet selected. So I'll zoom in. I click on any of my selection tool, and I click on layer via copy, and I hold the visibility of this. Can you see this? We see I have all this background there, all this sky image and everything. They are still there, which is not what we actually want to achieve. So I'm going to undo that and show us the exact technique to use. It's very simple and straightforward. So what I'm going to do is either I double click to go to my blending option to go to my layer style, or I right click and come here and go to blending options. So under the blending option, you will go to layer style, and from there we'll proceed. So yeah, just like that. So under this blending option, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the option here named blend if. So can you see we have blend if gray, blend if red, blend if green, and blend if blue. So if you check this image very well, what we have is we have in the sky, because what we are trying to focus on is the sky background. So what we have is we have white and brown. So if we are working with white, that's when we play with gray. That is grayscale. So that's when we play with gray. If we are working with, if the image is saturated with blue, we just go straight to blue. So let's work like we actually don't have any knowledge of how this thing work. Alright, so I'm going to go to gray, and I'm going to come to the underline layer here and adjust the slider. So if I come here and I click, yeah, can you see nothing visible is really happening? So I'm going to come back, come here and go like this. Oh my god, nothing is happening. Okay, under the current layer, can you see this? It's removing the tree, right? So, but I actually want the opposite. All right. Can you see this? Can you see the white? The white is gone. All right. So if I'm to break this slider now and go like this, yeah, okay, it looks similar to the result I want, but this is not what I want. All right. So I'm going to switch the option here to blue. All right. Under blue, and then I'll be adjust the sliders. I'm going to adjust the sliders. So this particular slider, if I want to adjust it, I'm going to break this slider into two by pressing Alt and then click. Press Alt and click. Okay, this is not the slider actually needed. So let's come here. Oh, this is not what we want at the same time. So we are going to, if you remember when we are working with gray the other time, this particular slider actually worked. It's just working, you know, that it was not effective. So we are going to apply it also. The slider for current layer. So I'm going to come here and click. Oh, then I will break this down into two and click and drag. Yeah, something like this. Can you see? Can you see the blue fill is gone? The blue with the touch of the white, everything is gone. Just as simple as that. So I come here. Okay, this is not too much, so we don't need this. Just like this. Yeah, this is lovely. So with just a click, we can actually make a perfect adjustment on our picture with just a click. So once we are done, we are going to hit OK. Yeah. So let us check our picture. So this is it before and this is it after. Now I'm going to give this particular picture a new sky. I'm going to give it a new sky. All right. So I already have a picture of a sky downloaded. So I'm going to click and drag it here. I'm going to scale it. Pressure Ctrl C to activate the transform. All right. And press enter. Drag this to be under the tree. Yeah, just like that. And obviously I'm going to go to blur so that the picture will not be that sharp. Yeah, just blur it out. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Yes, just like that. So we move from here to here. This is our original image and this is what we have right now. So removing the background from a tree is as simple as that. I believe you actually learned something new. Please, if you know you learned something new, I would like you to leave a comment in the comment section and make sure you like this video so that it's going to reach larger audience. Until next time, see you at the top. Cheers.